The Celayix Assistant. Simplify shift decisions and accelerate operations with AI. Access the Assistant by clicking the Ask button at the top here. You can ask the Assistant scheduling questions like, give me a summary of shifts for this week. Give me a summary of hours scheduled per day this week. List of employees without shifts this week. Give me a list of employees who are not scheduled this Saturday. You can ask questions about individual employees like, is Larry Kirk scheduled this week? Give me a list of employees who have not had a shift in the last month. The assistant can also answer support questions like, I can't approve time off requests. Or how do I publish shifts for self-scheduling? The assistant will give you suggestions for solving your problem and links to pages in the Celayix Help Center. The assistant can also copy, create, and delete shifts. For example, duplicate the shifts from January 1st and schedule them for January 2nd. The assistant will list the shifts in a table. Click the Maximize button to see them more clearly. If they look good in the table, click the Create Shifts button. They'll be created in draft, so remember to click the Save button. You can also delete shifts. Again, the shifts will be listed in a table, so check the table and click Delete Shifts. Remember to click the Save button. The assistant can also create shifts from simple text requests. The assistant will list the shifts in a table. Check the shifts in the table, then click Create Shifts. Again, remember to click Save. If you have any questions, click on the Learn More button at the end of this video or contact Celayix Support.